Okay, so for this project you would need some cardboard, a Kleenex box, duct tape, scissors, an X-acto knife, pen or pencil, and some contact paper. Okay, so you'll start off by drawing out your box, and you'll do all four sides. And on top of one of the sides, you'll draw out the top part of the box. We will not do a bottom because we want to be able to slide our box in and out. And when you're cutting the box, make sure you just leave a little extra above the lines that you drew, just in case you need to fix something. Then at the top of the box, I drew exactly where I wanted my hole to be, and I duct taped all sides down, and with my X-acto knife, I cut the design out. And the exact same way I cut my cardboard box out is the same way that I cut the contact paper, and I just did all four sides, and at one of those top sides, I did the top part. When you get ready to stick the marble contact paper on the box, be careful and take your time with this, as it can be a little tricky, and I used another piece of cardboard box to smooth out my edges. And for the leftover part at the top and the bottom, I just cut slits in all of the corners and folded those sections down. And for the hole at the top of the box, I took my X-acto knife and I cut across in the middle, and through the top I just folded those sections down. And because I did not want to stick very well, I used a duct tape to tape those down through the bottom side. Alright, this completes our project for our DIY Marble Kleenex box. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know down in the comments if you want to see more like this. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe for future videos. Thank you.